Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this OPPO. Firstly, open settings, scroll down and choose password and biometrics. So CRMS click. Now you need to choose set privacy password over here, click on use a different password type and pick one of those login methods by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with patterns, I have to tap on it and enter my pattern. Then repeat it, and over here answer this security question or tap on it and select one of those. But you can also click on this question, select custom one and create your own. Then save it by clicking on this icon at the top right corner of this pop-up and remember to answer it below. Then click on this icon at the top right corner over here to save your recovery informations and click on App Lock. Finally, I can select apps that I want to log by tapping on the switcher next to the chosen ones. For example, AliExpress and maybe Assistant. So now when I go back and try to access one of those apps, like Ali, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!